Good morning, students. Welcome to the online classes of zoology. Myself, Dr. Nisha Siroya, Assistant Professor in Zoology, SPC Government College, Ajmer. And today my topic is social insects. This topic is belong to BSc Part 2nd, Paper 1st. So, what is social insects? Here we are discuss some features or some characteristics about social insects. Many insects exhibit social behavior like feeding, aggregation, parental care of the young, and communal nest sites. In a broad sense, any insect that interacts with another member of its own species could be called a social insect. But as a rule, entomologists do not regard these behaviors as sufficient justification for classifying a species as truly social. Means this is also called eusocial. So, in order to qualify as eusocial, a species must exhibit all four of the following characteristics. So, here are these four characteristics that should be any social insect. Uh, Very first is share a common nest site. All the insects have to be share a common nest site. Individuals of the same species cooperate in caring for the young. Third is reproductive division of labor, like sterile or individuals work for the benefit of few reproductive individuals. Means there are division of labor found. Some of members are reproductive and some are work as soldiers and some are as workers. So there are division of labor are found. Overlap of generations. Offspring contribute to colony labor while their parents are still alive. So it is called overlap of generation. Social insects are among the most dominant and prolific of all the organisms on earth. They found in huge amount. Species that lack one or more of these characteristics are classified as pre-social. They are not eusocial. And eusocial insects are truly social insects. So, within these categories are subsocial species, means in which the parents care of their offspring, and parasocial species are called in which have a common nest site but lack one or more of the other eusocial characters. So, in this way, these four characteristics are mandatory for a eusocial animal. Here we will discuss about example termites. Termites are social insects and all the members of the order Isoptera are eusocial insects. Termites feed primarily on the cellulose and lignin found in the plant cell walls. These compounds are the main ingredients of wood and all paper products. Termites cannot digest the cellulose directly. So, what they do? They rely upon symbiotic bacteria and protozoa living within their intestine to supply most of the enzymes needed for cellulose digestion. So, in this way, they digest this cellulose. Termites are sometimes called white ants and they may resemble ants in size, but there is a minute difference is present. Ants have a narrow vest and elbowed antenna, while termites have a thick vest and antenna that resembles a string of beads. So that is the difference in these two species. Each termite lives in a nest or a colony with hundred, thousand, or even millions of its brothers and sisters. In fact, the termite colony is really a large extended family. Within this family, various groups of individuals have different functional role according to a caste system. Because as I earlier said that there are found division of labor. So according to that, they have different functional roles in the colony. So first of all, first category is worker. The worker caste is the largest group. It consists entirely of immature, both males and females, and these soft-bodied, wingless individuals perform all of the hard labor in the colony. They have to do all the hard work. They clean, maintain, and repair the nest, gather food and water, care for the young, and construct new tunnels and galleries as the colony grows. So, these juveniles all have the genetic capacity to undergo additional molds and become soldiers or reproductives, but most will spend their entire lives as workers. So, if there are any need, they can convert into soldiers or into reproductive also. Next is soldier. Members of the soldier caste are larger in size but fewer in number than the workers. Workers are more in numbers. They are also wingless, but they have large heads with powerful jaws. Their job is to guard the nest site and protect it from attacks by ants or any other invaders. In some species, the soldiers lack jaws but have a large glands in the head and shoots defensive chemicals through a nozzle at the front of the head. So these are some structures that they found. The soldiers are unable to care of themselves, so that they must be fed and groomed by the workers. So these are called the soldiers. Their structures are modified and they are morphologically changed. Now, queen and king. These are the reproductive caste, and this they always include a king, which is a fertile male, and a queen, which is a fertile female, who are the parents of the termite family and founders of the colony. Some species also have a few supplemental reproductives who share the egg laying duties. These are the only adult insect in the colony. The queen lays large number of eggs which develop into more workers and soldiers as the family grows. So in this way there are the colony lives together, and there are found the division of labor in the termite. So this is all about my today's lecture, and today we discuss about the some characteristics of social insect and discuss the termite colony in detail. Thank you so much.